Every time a car starts, accelerates, or brakes, it relies on minerals formed deep inside the earth over millions of years. Modern cars are not just machines, they are moving collections of geology. Steel, the backbone of every vehicle, comes from iron ore. From the engine block to the chassis, iron gives cars their strength and safety. Without iron minerals, the modern automobile would not exist. Aluminum, produced from bauxite, makes cars lighter and more fuel efficient. It is widely used in body panels, wheels, and engine components, helping reduce emissions and improve performance. Inside every car's wiring system is copper, one of the best electrical conductors on Earth. Copper connects batteries, sensors, lights, and control systems, allowing electricity to flow smoothly throughout the vehicle. Modern vehicles also rely on silica, derived from quartz, to produce glass for windshields, windows, and mirrors. Silica provides clarity, durability, and resistance to heat and impact. In electric and hybrid cars, minerals become even more important. Lithium, nickel, cobalt, and manganese are essential for rechargeable batteries that store and deliver energy. These critical minerals are key to the global transition toward clean transportation. Rare earth elements such as neodymium and dysprosium are used in powerful magnets for electric motors, making vehicles more efficient and compact. From the tires on the road to the batteries under the hood, every car tells a geological story. When you drive, you are traveling with the earth itself. Every time you touch your smartphone or open your computer, you are holding a story that began deep inside the earth. Modern technology may look artificial, but its true origin is completely natural. Long before humans existed, geological processes such as heat, pressure, volcanism, and crystallization form the minerals we depend on today. Mining and engineering do not create these materials. They only reshape what nature has already produced over millions of years. In this video, we will explore the minerals and rocks used to make mobile phones and computers, where they come from, and why they are essential for modern life. This is the hidden connection between geology and technology. At the center of every smartphone, computer, and electronic device is silicon. Silicon is extracted from quartz, a mineral composed of silicon dioxide. Quartz is one of the most abundant minerals on Earth and is commonly found in rocks such as granite, sandstone, and quartzite. After mining, quartz undergoes intense purification and refining. The purified silicon is then shaped into thin silicon wafers. These wafers are used to manufacture microchips, processors, memory units, and semiconductors. Silicon controls the flow of electrical signals, allowing devices to process data, store information, and perform calculations. Without quartz-derived silicon, there would be no computers, no smartphones, and no digital communication. Silicon is truly the heart of modern technology. For electronics to function, electricity must flow efficiently, and copper makes this possible. Copper is one of the best natural conductors of electricity. It is flexible, durable, and highly efficient. Copper is mined from minerals such as chalcopyrite, bornite, and malachite, commonly found in igneous and sedimentary deposits. Inside phones and computers, copper forms printed circuit boards, internal wiring, connectors, and charging cables. Copper also plays an important role in managing heat, helping prevent electronic components from overheating. Without copper, electrical energy could not move smoothly through electronic systems. Gold and silver may be precious metals, but in electronics, they are used for performance, not decoration. Gold is highly resistant to corrosion. It does not rust or degrade over time, even under extreme conditions. This makes gold ideal for connectors, switches, and microchip contacts where reliability is critical. Silver is the most electrically conductive metal on Earth. It allows electrical signals to travel quickly and efficiently. In electronics, silver is used in circuit boards, contacts, and conductive pastes. Even though only tiny amounts are used, gold and silver ensure stable connections, fast data transmission, and long device life. Rechargeable batteries are what make modern devices portable. The most important battery mineral is lithium. Lithium is extracted from pegmatite minerals such as spodumene and from salt brine deposits found beneath dry lake beds. Cobalt improves battery safety and stability, helping prevent overheating and failure. Nickel increases energy density, allowing batteries to store more power and last longer. Together, these minerals create lightweight, powerful, and long-lasting batteries. Without battery minerals, smartphones, laptops, and electric devices would not exist. Inside every smartphone are tiny components called capacitors. These capacitors are made using tantalum, rare but extremely important metal. Tantalum is extracted from the mineral coltan, found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Capacitors regulate voltage, store energy, and protect sensitive electronic components. Tantalum performs well at high temperatures and in compact spaces, making it ideal for modern electronics. Without tantalum, devices would be larger, less efficient, and less reliable. Rare earth elements are used in very small quantities, but they are critical for advanced technology. Neodymium is used to create powerful permanent magnets for speakers, microphones, and vibration motors. Lanthanum improves camera lenses and enhances screen brightness and clarity. Dysprosium and praseodymium help magnets resist heat and maintain performance. These elements come from specialized geological deposits and require complex extraction and processing. Rare earth elements are essential for high-quality sound, imaging, and performance in modern devices. The smooth glass screen of your smartphone is made mainly from quartz and feldspar. These minerals are melted at extremely high temperatures and chemically strengthened to produce tough, scratch-resistant glass. Ceramic materials made from alumina and silica protect internal components and help manage heat. Glass and ceramics improve durability, safety, and performance in electronic devices. The surface you touch every day is the result of advanced mineral processing. Every smartphone and computer is a product of Earth's geological history. From quartz crystals to rare metals, nature provides the foundation for modern technology. Geology connects the ancient Earth with the digital future. Understanding this relationship helps us value mineral resources and use them responsibly. The next time you hold your phone, remember you are holding millions of years of geological history. This is why geology is not just the study of rocks. It is the science behind our modern world. If you enjoyed this journey from Earth to technology, like, subscribe, and follow Geology Wonders for more science behind our world.